Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to talk about my grocery routine, how I meal plan for the week, and do my grocery shopping. This is something that for some reason I used to be all over the place and so unorganized with. If this is something that any of you struggle with, hopefully this video will be helpful for you. If you're new to my channel, my name's Holly. I'm a stay-at-home mom and my channel is all about finding joy and creativity at home. I make videos on all sorts of motherhood and lifestyle topics, so if you're interested in that, please be sure to subscribe below. Okay, so let's get into my grocery routine. So something that I did was I created a PDF that I keep on my computer of the items that we need every single week. Eggs, bread, almond milk, bananas, things like that. So that is the first set of things that will go on my grocery list. The second is we keep this notepad on our fridge. It's like a magnet notepad. This is from Rifle Paper Company. This is where we just write whenever we run out of something, we put it up here on our fridge. So that's the second place that I look to make my grocery list. And then the third thing that I do to create the list is I find 4 recipes. So every week I do 4 recipes. You might need to do 5, 6, 7. It kind of depends on your family. For us, that works out well. It's like 4 recipes plus one night of like an easy meal. So maybe tacos or spaghetti. We usually have one night of the week that we call Gitcheroni. It's like leftovers, just kind of like grab whatever looks good to you. So then that covers 5 days, and then we usually have one night a week that is like a family dinner where we will eat at his parents' house or my parents' house. And then we have one night a week that is like, we'll just eat out somewhere. So that kind of covers our full week if I make 4 recipes. I want to talk really quick about some cookbooks that I like for weeknight meals. So, you know, I have a lot of cookbooks that I really love. One of my favorites is the Magnolia cookbook by Joanna Gaines, but a lot of the really yummy cookbooks that I have are more appropriate for like holidays. Like they're very rich and heavy and not something that you'd want to have like during the week, and I try to keep it kind of healthy during the week. This cookbook is called Skinny Taste. This was recommended by my friend Olivia Hayward, who a lot of you know as well. She has a YouTube channel too. It's the Skinny Taste One and Done. There are a ton of Skinny Taste cookbooks, but this one is like all recipes that you can make on one pan, like one sheet pan or one skillet. I love, love, love. This is my favorite cookbook. Like I use this all the time. Everything that I've made in here has been delicious, and I've made a lot. It's quick, it's easy. The recipes are really flavorful, but they're not like pretentious or fussy. The ingredients are all stuff that you can find. I'll link it below. And I like this cookbook so much that I went ahead and bought a second Skinny Taste book, and this is the Fast and Slow. There are a lot of really good slow cooker recipes in here, and I'm a huge fan of slow cooker recipes. If you're looking for some good weeknight cookbooks, definitely check out the Skinny Taste, especially this one, the One and Done. I love. So typically I'll look through there and I'll find a few recipes to make. I try to kind of mix it up as I'm making my meal plan. So, you know, if we're having a soup on Monday, I won't also have another soup later in the week. And I try to kind of mix it up, like chicken one day, beef another, maybe have a meatless day, things like that. So I was really wanting to make salmon patties for Friday. So I just Googled, or I went to All Recipes and looked up salmon patties. And I like that website because there's a ton of recipes on there and there's a ton of reviews on there, so you can get a good idea of the ones that are actually good. Along with making my little meal plan for the week, that makes it sound fancy. It's literally just like Monday this, Tuesday this, you know. Along with that, I will write down any sides that I want to have with it. So then I know exactly what I need to get this week because those are the recipes that I'm making. So the next step is a new step for me, but there's a website called Instacart, and I'll link to that below as well. This video is not sponsored by them, but this is it's a grocery delivery, and it just became available in my area. So definitely, if you're not sure, or if you don't live in a city and you're like, oh, they probably don't deliver to me, definitely check them out because I live in the middle of nowhere and they deliver to me. So it's possible. I'm gonna leave a link below that will give you $10 off of your groceries if you end up buying anything, and I will also get $10 off. So just so you know, but again, this video isn't sponsored. But yes, I will go on Instacart. I will just search and choose all of the groceries that I need. You guys, this has been life-changing. I have waited for grocery delivery for so long. Somebody just goes to your grocery store, shops for you, and delivers it to your house. And they've had this in cities for a long time, but they just now, like I said, got it where I live. I recently broke my foot, plus I have Charlie, and grocery shopping was just such a headache. Like, it was almost impossible. Wes was having to get the groceries all the time. We were going to the grocery store like several times a week, and this just makes everything so much easier. And the delivery is only $4. It's $3.99, which to me, to have somebody shop and deliver it is well worth it. And they usually will deliver within a couple of hours. It's pretty quick. So after I place my order, that's when I usually will clean out the fridge. I just find that if I don't take the time to clean out the fridge, our fridge is kind of small anyway, and everything, there's just stuff that gets pushed to the back and then it goes bad and it's disgusting. So I try to take out, you know, food that has gone bad or anything that is expired, clean that out so that that makes room for the new groceries. So that is my grocery routine for the week. I would love to know if you guys have any grocery planning, meal planning tips below. Thanks so much for watching this video. Be sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.